Vlogmas. It's Sunday morning. So I was lounging and I just remembered Kenzie's birthday is on Thursday. That's in like 4 days. That means I need to come up with a balloon look, a cake look, a plan, a dinner, a lunch, a Starbucks in the morning, all these things. Much to do and not a lot of time, but we're gonna get it done. And me and Dad watched Krampus last night. Oh my gosh, it was so funny and like, it was creepy, but it wasn't like bad. Like I would say like a 13-year-old could watch it and it'd be fine. But it had all these like German words and German traditions that Dad and his like German people say. Loved it.
Auf Wiedersehen.
I'm scared. It's Sunday morning at Dad's breakfast table. Dad, he arranged them like, oops. Bro, are these the orange ones, Dad?
Yeah.
Eggies, Bakey, and Sayonara. Two little Christmas cavaliers yawning on a Christmas blanket. This year, we're just gonna call it Dadmas, by the way, okay? Hello. It's a little tree check-in. Kenzie's gonna hang out with one of her besties for a little bit. Dad and me are gonna go look for like balloons and stuff for her birthday. Shh. And then pick up some things that my mom ordered for Kenzie for her birthday and enjoy this beautiful wintry Sunday. It is like 40 degrees outside and that's not hot. But Big Copper, my love for you will keep, your love for me will keep me warm. Our vibe for today, Twisted Peppermint. Have fun with Ashley. We'll miss ya. Oh. Yeah, oh, and also Dad looks cute. First stop on the beautiful Sunday, the beautiful Bryan is going to Target. We're going to be at 2 Targets today because we have 2 different things to pick up. Now we're in another Target. Sale, winter shop lighting. Instead of doing the little colorful ones we do on the door every year, front door, Dad's going to do white ones. Why is that, Dad? What's your theme?
I don't know.
It's just Dad's candy thing, okay? Hey, Dad, what did you think of Krampus?
Oh my god, it was so fun. It was
I gave
like
a short
all my
this morning.
Christmases from childhood growing up.
They said all the German things Dad's family would say and did all the German things Dad's family would do.
I just loved the scary moments when the kids would be like, "Oh me!"
I know.
What about
the Cuckoo Clock, Bowser? The perfect little Dad lunch. Some turkey with Dad's leftover Thanksgiving rolls, a la Susie Hampton. And we're really excited to get back to Dad's home cooking this week after all the Thanksgiving food has been done. Are you?
Yes.
Are you?
Okay, step 1 was done. Step 2 is just glue. Hopefully it pays off and it looks good, because I'm like, am I gonna look like a kindergarten classroom?
No.
Is it gonna look decent?
Yes.
We will see. And I will have spent hours. And then I'm just lightly pressing them in this like faux snow. See? And then from a distance, they'll all just twinkle. Hopefully.
So welcome to Dad Does. He's got all his trusty tools. Welcome to Dad Does decorating of the front door. Dad's gonna put like white lights around the door. Normally we do the colorful ones, but Dad's gonna do the white ones. What else are you gonna do to the front door?
I don't want to go out and buy a ton of stuff, so I'm gonna make a mountain of snow, and I'm gonna put up a Christmas tree, and I'm gonna hang finally all those snowflakes that I made and dipped and rolled in glitter and blah blah blah.
It's gonna be amazing. So come along to Dad's house. Hi, I'm out here with Dad. First things first, Dad's gonna sweep like Cindy. And then his vision is like a winter wonderland. We're talking snowflakes hanging from the roof, right, Dad?
Correct.
Lights around the door.
Correct.
Dad's a little sleepy today, so don't mind his soft sweetness, okay? It's cold. Jingle, brr, jingle, brr, Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in Dad's open sleigh. Hey, I should find the video of you when you made this 2 years ago and turned it into a... Yay, Dad!
Yay, that's cute.
It's adorable. So what the boy in cute Mickey socks is doing is he's putting up little nails up on the ceiling part of it all, and then he's gonna hang lightsies from them.
Did you get up too for me?
I did, they're right here. This boy is crazy. How do you even know how to do all this, Dad? He's hanging this big old extension cord, and it's just like a green little snake thingy down the corner. It's cool.
This looks stupid. It's gonna look cool.
No, this Dad is obnoxious. I literally am inside on the phone with Miss Betty for literally like 10 seconds, and this is what he does. It's so cute. No, I'm seeing it with like nighttime. You know what I mean? It's amazing, Dad. It's not that I question you, but look at his vision is coming to life. Like, okay.
No, you want a story?
Sure.
I'll give you a story. Once upon a time, can they hear me from here?
Yeah.
Once upon a time, I was like, Didi, I'll make Asian food. And he was like, no.
I was like,
I don't know.
do that at home?
And now, what did you want the other night? Asian food.
I learned he can do anything. But anyways, he had told me of this like vision he had for the front door, and I'm like, oh, Dad, that sounds nice, but that's too much, and like we don't need to do all that. And then, boom, look at that. And he made all those individual little snowflakes. Like, oh, hold on, this isn't even like a good angle for it. Like, look. And imagine with all the like glitter he put on the snowflakies, with the lights shining on the glitter and everything tonight, it's gonna look freaking fabulous. You were right, Dad. You win. You're a visionary. This is why I say you're my Walt Disney. Come on, he's so cute. Hi, welcome to this. Dad did the snowflakes, he did the lights. It's fabulous. Now we're setting up the Christmas tree. Dad's entrusted me with putting the tree together. We will see how this goes. Also, Dad's gonna build a cute little mountain for the tree to live in. This is a 0.5, so you're not as close as you feel.
5 minutes.
So I know a lot of you have been wondering, how do you take a tree out of a box? You're gonna wanna grab, okay, so you just pick it up out of the box, you're done. Smart and sexy, what should I do with it?
You put the base on the ground first.
Okay, there's just these little things.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is slide like a Lego. Well, that's nice and easy. And then your story is complete until you need to fluff. Now this film, so I'm gonna set it down. I don't understand. What would I do without Dad? Honestly, he knows how to do everything. He's such a talented genius, man. Is that normal looking? Yes, it is. So I could do like this, but Dad would come along and he'd be like Edward Scissorhands all fast. So Dad, I'm gonna leave fluffing the tree to you, honey. But there you go, it's done. Thank you. He is just so resourceful and cute and handy and imaginative. Winnie now! And he came up with this little vision on his own, and he's just being a little DIY Martha Stewart. I don't know what we would do without you, Dad. There you go. This man, he's so cute. So he's built this little snow mountain with the lights, and then it's like the mountain is like a sheet. And then he takes this.
That's not good enough.
No, that's not good enough for Dad. So Dad's gonna take these, it's gonna double as snow. It's also spider webs left over from Halloween, All Hallows Eve. And then Dad just turns it into a mountain. He even built little claymation skiers to go on top of this mountain. I mean, you can't make this up. Hi, welcome to Didi's Corner, Didi's talk show while Dad finishes his work in the French yard. Now then, this is just an I love my husband moment. The other night, Dad and me, we have like very like real talk sometimes. When we were driving to school the other day, I was like, we always, you know, we like are so obsessed with each other. We get along. I know we get along. Like we get along very, very, very well. And it's just my favorite thing in the world. And I was saying it's so sad out there because there's so many people who are lonely. And if I didn't have Dad, I feel like I would be so lonely. Like, I was very independent. I did not like dating or anything like that before I met Dad. I'm just so grateful for my life and for what we have. And the other night I was like laying on Dad's tummy and I was crying because I was telling him that I'm so grateful for him and I just love our life together and I don't know what I would ever do without him and Kenzie, and just like what we are and what we've become is just so special to me. And so that's the whole point of my talk show that I'm doing right now. It's like special. It's just, I love you, Dad, and you're just my favorite person in the world. Is he for real? Not yet. I promise you, you're not ready for how cute this is. Dad did this in under a freaking hour. 3, 2, 1. Is that not so cute and gives such a fun little touch? Like, where does he come up with these things? Normally we like don't even do the front door. We just put little lights around the door. But he's so adorable. We love you, Dad. You're watching the Holgate, so of course a pretty sunset means I'm going to show it. Isn't that gorge? Dad, look. It's in honor of your cute front door that you did. It is. I've got little coppers on my feet. We're going with Dad to pick up some hot chocolate from Kroger. It's like 40 degrees, so doesn't hot chocolate sound good? What brand should we get? Should we get Mama Abuelita's, Lucky Charms? Starbucks has one? This is just a little video to say that I love that she always sits in your lap. And she's like content to just hang with you. I think it's sweet. Emma, come make hot chocolate with Zuri and me.
Okay.
Alright, so we're making hot chocolate. It's Nestles. What did Judy call it? Nestle?
Nestle.
I call it I'm scared.
Who am I?
Me. You know who's looking sharp? Who? Bryan. He's a star.
I'm gonna put our powders in. We probably don't want double portions. Like,
But
these
if
will
we-
each make 2
If we
packets.
do 2 packets, it will be greater than 1 packet. Combined.
Stop.
So high. Do you think we need to double it up, Dad?
If you want to have more.
I don't even know if I'm gonna finish mine, so I might as well have it extra richy, yummy. Or should we just share like another one, a little bit for everyone?
No. Let's just do one.
I'm done with it.
I mean, 2. No sprinkles. That's gross.
No.
Too much.
Sprinkles is a little too much for this one.
Huh?
Whipped cream, created by the father.
You always do that. I was like,
Dad uses his sink like a trash can.
how so needy?
I'm scared. Okay, so we've got our chocolate in. I know that a lot of you are asking how you make these packets. So you boil the water.
Mama took me for the show, man. People like me.
I know, Copper, they love you.
Combined.
Is it all done?
Yeah, and then you can put whipped cream on.
Wait, what's the cranberry Sprite challenge?
I want to do it so bad.
That's why you wanted cranberry Sprite?
Cranberry Sprite.
You wanted Sprite, we got Sprite, and you can
Yeah.
what about cranberries?
I
And
want
somebody
cranberry
commented
Sprite.
on our video today. It was like, oh, cranberry, you guys need to try the cranberry Sprite challenge. It's
What is that?
I don't know.
Challenge of
What's
what?
the challenge?
What do you do?
I don't know. Let's get an up close version of the story. This is the up close version of the story. Cheers, Dad. To back to school, even though it sucks, we'll make it great.
And work.
And your birthday in a few days. You're gonna be 12.